Hello, this is Michael with the MVL Concrete. I'm going to do a short clip here on some expectations of new construction, and if you're planning on staining or sealing your concrete slab, some things to be aware of. The first thing is, here's a little clip of it, is as you can see, the edges are discolored here. That's from the hand troweling. This is an exterior ledge, exterior wall. The workers hand troweled that section as opposed to using the machine, so there's a different color. That will show up, and then even if you plan on polishing or getting the concrete ground, that most of the times that will also bleed through because it affects the curing of the concrete. Another thing is if it's muddy out, the workers might be working, or even after the concrete's cured, or not cured, but even after the concrete's hardened a bit, if mud gets on the concrete slab, it will discolor, and that's pretty hard if you're just doing a cream polish or a sealed concrete floor, stained concrete floor. You'll see that mud, it changes the color of the concrete. It cures differently, as you can see here in this hallways. That's all mud that was worked on the concrete there. You can see it's pretty bad in this house. This is after it's been cleaned. It's still showing through. A couple other things to be aware of when doing new construction or even some remodeling. Remodeling is pieces of rebar that have been sticking out. As you can see in that little corner, there's a piece of rebar. You'll have a divot there. You could we could cut it, and then we'll have to patch it, and then you'll see the patch mark will be different. But another thing to, if you're a contractor pouring the concrete, you want to make sure your troweling machines are not leaking oil. As you can see here, these little drips here. You can see those drips. That's all from the troweling machine. That will be very hard to get out, even with grinding. Sometimes those will soak through so much that you'll see a shadow of it. A couple other things to keep in mind is writing on the floor. You don't want to use permanent marker, red ink, when marking the floor. As you can see here, this was a permanent marker, so you could see that, but that's very hard to get out without grinding. Grinding will get those out, but again, if you're looking for a cream finish or a cream polish, those won't be easily taken out without making a noticeable mark with grinding or sanding. Hope this short clip video helps on planning your concrete pouring, to if you're planning on staining or polishing, sealing, any of those options. I don't want to discourage you, but there are just some things to keep in mind. Overall, this floor is going to turn out nice. It's just some things that could be easily fixed or prevented if you know about it. Most people won't know that mud will stain the concrete. Even after it's hardened for a day or two, it will stain the concrete. There's going to be a couple other videos on some remodeling and what to expect when you're doing a remodel project, removing carpet, tile, and stuff like that. But this is mainly on new construction house we're doing here. Hope this video helps. Thanks.